What is up guys, then this side. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the conversation error in ChatGPT. So first you need to head over to ChatGPT's website and then you need to log in with your account credentials, and after that when you're logged in, on the left side at the bottom you will see your profile. Simply click on it and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, here you will see the option of personalization. Simply click on this and then here you will see the custom instructions, the reference saved memories, and here you can just manage your memories from here by just clicking on manage, and here you will see all the memories, saved memories with ChatGPT. And after that, just simply need to move to data controls, and then here in the archive chats you need to click on manage. So if you have any archive chats, just simply unarchive them to make them visible here in your conversational history. And if this doesn't work, your internet connection might be slow, so just recheck and refresh your internet connection. And if it still doesn't work, you just simply need to open your chat gpt in an incognito mode by just clicking on the three dots and then clicking on new private window to open your ChatGPT in your incognito mode. So this is how you can solve this issue. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.